buddy. We're gonna bring you to the bigger patio so you have a little bit better chance to fly, okay? We got him from the little garden to the big one, so hopefully he can make his way up and get up here somewhere where he can fly. He's scared, but he's flying. There he goes. Caught him.
Nick Cruz said
well, I didn't catch him. He came to me basically. And what I'm gonna do is put him back up there. I'm gonna put him in the pot so that he has somewhere high, but then somewhere safe and secure with shade.
Can you please supply tear gas in the capital Nairobi where further protests?
This is a finance bill that was set to impose quite a lot of new taxes on Kenya, and so it's trying to raise money from its own people, encouraged by the IMF.
So now he's safe up here. Now he can rest in safety with some shade, and hopefully his mom comes to get him. That's our adventure at Gibraltar Heritage Trust today.